Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how we can use one high authority website that is getting more than 60 million monthly visits to promote your affiliate products. But guys, please watch this video carefully because I'm going to tell you some things that you need to know. Otherwise, this method won't work and then you will come here and say this method doesn't work, but actually it does work, but you didn't watch this video carefully. So with that being said, let's start. Okay. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Digistore24 to find products that I wish to promote. So let's just say that I'm in keto niche. So here I will simply search for keto and here I can see all the keto related products that I can promote. Here you can see there are all these products. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to find a good keyword. Now for that, I will actually use a website called Answer the Public. And here I will simply search for keto diet, okay? And then here I will choose United States because that is the country that I'm actually targeting, but you can target any of these countries here, okay? And here for the language, again, I'm going to search for English because English is spoken in United States. And then simply click here on search and now Answer the Public will give me questions, most searched questions related to keto diet on Google. And I personally like questions. And here you can also see there are questions, propositions, comparisons, and alphabetically. Like I said, I personally like questions. Here you can see there are 59 questions, and here you can see all those questions. Now guys, this is the boring part. And this is actually the hardest part because you need to research all of these keywords here because you need to find a keyword that has a low competition and a good search volume. So for example, let's just say I wish to test this keyword here, will keto diet lower cholesterol? I will simply click here and I need to research this keyword. So I will simply copy this and then I'm going to use another free tool called WordStream. And then here I will paste that keyword. Click here, find my keyword, and here I can get competition and also search volume for this keyword. Here as you can see, will keto diet lower cholesterol? All industries, United States. Like I said, I'm targeting United States, but you can target any country that you want. Click here and continue, and you will get search results. Here you can see, will a keto diet lower cholesterol? Search volume, 480 searches every month in United States. And here you can see competition is low, which means I can actually rank on first page on Google because website I'm going to use has a huge authority on Google. And search volume is not the best, but it is a good search volume. I will get free traffic from Google. So let me first show you authority of this website. When we go on Ahrefs authority checker, here you can see domain rating for this website is 92, 74 million backlinks. And also when we go on SimilarWeb, here you will see that this website got 61 million visits last month. And when we scroll here, we will see that most of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries. And the website I'm talking about is called Substack. It is similar to medium.com and vocal.media. You will publish your articles here. And here you can see how this website looks. Now all you have to do is just click here on sign in and you need to add your email. Registration process is really simple. It is really easy. You need to confirm your email. After you confirm your email, you will come to your dashboard. And then here you need to click on new post because we need to create a new post. So now I need to write an article. For that, I'm going to use Google Gemini. And here I need to give it a prompt. And first I'm going to tell it to give me catchy titles. And here you can see, give me 5 catchy titles for this keyword. Will a keto diet lower cholesterol? And then press enter. And now Google Gemini will give me 5 catchy titles. Catchy titles are important because click-through rate is important on Google. And I will choose one of these titles that I think it is the best. Okay. So for example, let's just say I will choose this first one here. I will copy this and then here I need to tell Google Gemini to write me an article for this title here. And I will give it a prompt. Here you can see, write me an article for this title, Keto Kickstart, Blast Bad Cholesterol and Rev Your Health, okay? And then press enter. And now Google Gemini will write this article for me. And now I need to go back here on Substack and here I need to add a title, okay? And this is my title. Here you can see, Keto Kickstart, Blast Bad Cholesterol and Rev Your Health. here I need to add a subtitle. I will go back here on Google Gemini and I will simply copy this first line here, Control C, and I will go back here on Substack and I'm going to paste that here. Now here I need to write an article. Now, but first I need to open my article with catchy image. That is tip number 1. Always open your articles with catchy images because that will catch people's attention, that will make them scroll, that will make them stop scrolling and click on your article. So to add an image, simply click here and then click here, add image. And now I need to find the image. This is the image. And here you can see how this image looks. Like I said, image is really important. Here, now I need to add the rest of the article. So I will simply copy this here article, entire article. And here I will Control C, go back here on Substack, and I'm going to paste that here. Now, another tip is always add at least 2 or 3 images, catchy images through entire article, okay? Here you can see how my article looks. And now what you need to do, you simply need to add your affiliate link. So I can simply highlight this and then click here on this little chain. And here I need to paste my Digistore24 affiliate link. So I will go back here. Let's just say I wish to promote this product here. I will click here on promote and here I will click on copy permalink and I'm going to paste that here. Okay, click link. And that's it. I added my link. And add your affiliate link, your Digistore24 affiliate link on at least 2 or 3 places in this article, but make sure that those links are on right places. Don't just add them on random places. Add them on good places, on natural places, okay? And also really important, you need to add an affiliate disclaimer on the bottom. You need to say that this article contains affiliate link, okay? And when I click here on preview, I can see how my article actually looks. Here you can see how it looks. And when I click here on done, here you can see I can click on continue. Here I can choose, I will choose everyone. That is exactly what I wish. I wish everyone to see my article. Allow comments, you can allow comments or you cannot allow comments, doesn't really matter. Here tags are important for Substack optimization because Substack is getting 60 million visits per month. You will get some traffic from Substack. So I will simply say keto diet, okay? That is my first tag, okay? And then here I will say, for example, weight loss, and that's it for now. You can add 5 to 10 tags, okay, for each article. Social preview, this is my social preview. You can see scheduling, I don't want to schedule it, I wish to publish it right now. And all you have to do is just click here and send to everyone now, and that's it. You will publish your article on Substack, and that's it. So this is really important, guys. You need to rank this article high on Google. We found right keyword that has low competition, and the Substack has a huge authority on Google. But this article won't rank as itself on Google. You need to help him. What that means? That means that you need to start driving some initial traffic, and also you need to start building some backlinks. Share this article on your Instagram page, on your thread page, on your Twitter page, on your Facebook profile and Facebook page, on Facebook groups. Share it on Reddit or share it on related forums. Share it wherever you can. Create as many backlinks as you can. Drive traffic as much as you can. Free traffic, because 2 reasons. Reason number 1, it will help your Substack article to rank on first page on Google. And reason number 2 is this article, when Substack sees that this article is getting traffic outside to Substack, then Substack will drive some traffic by itself. So you will get some traffic from Substack as well. 200, 300, 500, maybe even 10,000 visits from Substack itself. And trust me, guys, people will start clicking on your Digistore24 affiliate link, and some of those people will actually buy that product and you will make money. Now, this method does require some knowledge, some experience, and some work, but it does work. You can make money. And also, this is another tip for you. If you publish just 1 article, then you probably won't make money. But if you publish 30, 40, 50 articles, then trust me, guys, you will start making money. People will start visiting and reading your article, and they will start clicking on your affiliate link, your Digistore24 affiliate link, and some of those people will buy that product. Just provide value, and that's it. So this is how you make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing in 2024.